Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? Hope everybody's doing great. I just wanted to give you a little update on the upgrades I was doing to the CX24. So far I've got everything installed except for the motor and motor mount. The only also the wheel weights that I purchased would not fit the particular wheels that I have, but that's not really a big issue because I've still got plenty of weight on this thing all over. A list of what I've done so far is I've got Proline Hyrax tires. I've got the Injora metal beadlock rims on it. I've got brass steering knuckles on both sides there, and what I tried to do was, give it a forward weight bias also. I've got brass side rails on there, brass sliders or boulder bars, whatever you want to call them. I've got the Emax servo that I put on there. The Emax servo, I put on the metal servo bracket. I also used the Injora metal servo horn. I don't know if you can see it, but it's red. It's really nice quality. I've got the brass diff covers. You can see there. Got the Trio steering links, which are just beautiful. I don't know if you could, how well you can see them. The Trio steering links. And this nice bumper to get rid of that stock one. This one's much better. This is a Hobby Park metal bumper with the toe shackles, but it fits on there just beautifully. And it's much closer to the body than the stock one was. So I'm very happy about that. And it looks really great on there, in my opinion. One thing I'll tell everybody is, you should save all of your original parts. I like to stick all of mine in a Ziploc bag and, mark what they are, what they come from. So, you never know when you might have to go back and use those again for some reason, or if you want to switch something out back to original. And something else I can tell you, if you've never done them before, on these small models, your 1.5 and your 0.5 are going to be your 0.05, I'm sorry, are going to be your best friends for that. Almost virtually every hex screw on that is one or the other. So if you have those, you're good to go. Makes it much easier. I really enjoyed putting those on there. I also did the shock mod. If any of you are familiar with that, that involves moving the shocks from their standard position, which is, up here, to moving them back into this position, and you do that on all four shocks, and it gives it a little cushier, little bit of a cushier ride. and I really like it so far. Tomorrow I'm going to give it a little test run on my my little indoor rocks I have here. We'll see how it does on that, but so far I'm really happy with how it's come out. Everything fit on there perfectly. I didn't have any issues with it, you know, with screws or anything not fitting right. Everything I purchased did fit just perfectly, so that was really nice. Didn't have any problems with bad screws or cheap screws. You know, sometimes you'll run into that. I didn't have any issues like that whatsoever this time. Everything fit perfect. All the screws were good. They weren't too soft. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, there's always more to come. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Riff out.